Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best Wayflyer funding options for startups. As a founder who's actually been in the trenches, navigating early stage growth, I can tell you that Wayflyer offers a lifeline, particularly for e-commerce and DTC brands. When you're growing fast, you have a massive cash flow problem. You need to buy inventory and pay for marketing now, but the customer revenue is still weeks away. Traditional banks just don't get that. The primary and, in my experience, best funding option Wayflyer offers is their revenue-based financing, RBF. This is crucial because it's not a loan in the traditional sense, and it's certainly not selling equity. Here's how it worked for me and why I think it's superior. Speed and data-driven approval. The entire process is incredibly fast. I connected my e-commerce platforms like Shopify and my ad accounts. Their system analyzed my revenue, my performance, and my return on ad spend, ROAS. This data-driven approach means they're underwriting your potential based on real-time sales, not just old tax returns. I got a tailored funding offer in hours, not weeks. Flexible repayment. This is a game changer. With RBF, repayment is a percentage of your daily or weekly sales. If you have a slow sales day, you pay back less. If you have a massive sales spike, you pay back more quickly. There's no fixed monthly payment hanging over your head, which completely protects your cash flow during seasonal dips or unexpected slowdowns. No equity or collateral. The most significant advantage for any founder is that you don't give up a single percentage of your company. They take a single fixed fee on the advance amount, typically in the 5% to 10% range. They also don't require personal guarantees or secure the funding against your inventory. You keep full ownership and control, which is priceless in a startup's life. Use of funds. I use my first advance primarily for two things: inventory and performance marketing. When I saw a winning ad campaign, Wayflyer funding let me immediately double down on that spend to acquire more customers and buy enough stock to meet the demand, without running the risk of stocking out. So, in short, the revenue-based advance is the best option because it's fast, non-dilutive, and your repayment schedule flexes perfectly with the reality of an e-commerce sales cycle. It's a partner for growth, not just a lender. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.